Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft Dynamics 365 marketing forms, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Microsoft Dynamics 365 marketing forms, start by logging into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 account. Once logged in, navigate to the marketing module from the main dashboard. In the marketing section, locate and select the forms option from the menu. You will see a list of all existing marketing forms. Identify the form you wish to update and click on the form name to open it. Review the current configuration of the form. Make the necessary changes to the form fields or layout according to your requirements. To add new fields, click on the Add Field button and select the type of field you want. Adjust the properties of the new field, including labels and validation rules. For existing fields, click on the field to edit its properties as needed. If you need to rearrange the fields, simply drag and drop them into your desired order. Once your updates are complete, preview the form by selecting the Preview option. Check that all elements display correctly and function as intended. If you need to make further adjustments, return to the editing mode. After confirming that everything is in order, click on the Save button to secure your changes. Next, publish the updated form by selecting the Publish option. Your changes are now live and ready for use. To confirm the update took effect, revisit the main forms list and check the form status. Your Microsoft Dynamics 365 marketing form is now successfully updated and operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.